Hello guys, I welcome you all friends. I hope you all stay well and take care of yourself. Today we are going to generate very good profit in US dollar versus Swiss franc. I will show you step-by-step analysis how we can grow trading account even with simple analysis. Meet guys after applying trade. Guys, we have deposited $2,700 in this account which we are going to grow. Currently our loss is around $200. We will bring it into profit soon. Let me explain to you the trend of the market here. The market is going in a downtrend for almost a month. A very good buying opportunity has been created here as the market will go up for retracement on the big time frame. Here I have set the time frame to 30 minutes so that we can draw all the levels well. Here we will first create the trend channel. The market has created lower high points on this trend line. All these points will connect well with the trend line, so that we can get the right trend line. Further analysis will be done on this trend line. The second trend line will be connected to the lower low points with the same angle. The market has been moving in this trend channel for a long time, in which market proper lower low points have been created. Here we will also see support become resistance pattern, which is a strong downtrend pattern. At this place the market has given a trendline breakout. After the breakout, the market also retested the trend line but did not go much higher. Now the market is moving up with a strong move. Then we have applied a buying trade. Here I have made the time frame 15 minute and further analysis will be on this time frame. Now I am drawing strong support resistance level which will help us to know the reversal points of the market. For this I am taking the rectangle tool. Many support resistance points have been created at this level, hence this level is a very strong level. The market above this level creates buying and selling opportunity. At these points you can see after which the market has reversed at the same level. Here support become resistance and resistance become support pattern is created. Here also the market has created multiple support resistance points. If in the future also we will see reversal points at this level, from here a very good opportunity can be created. Here the market has given a false breakout and now it is going up rapidly. Here this fake breakout has been created by the operator. Now the market is going upwards. This is also a reason to apply our buying trade. High percentage chance the market will move upwards from here. All our levels are giving buying signals. Our analysis here is absolutely correct. Most likely the market will follow our setup. Now we have to apply stop loss and target point. We cannot generate profit unless we follow our rules properly. Here my stop loss will be below the strong level and outside the trend channel, which is 10 pips below. It will not go down until the market hits the stop loss, because to hit the stop loss, the market will have to break a strong level which has very little chance, and the target point will be 20 pips above where the market is right now. If the market follows the uptrend to proper higher high higher low, will also go above our target level. Guys, now our profit is around $600. This is a very good profit. The market is moving up very fast. I have quickly placed stop loss and target point. Guys, we will increase profits further until the market hits the profit target. Our analysis is in the right direction. We are confident in our setup that the market will move upwards. We have drawn the levels as per the patterns created by the market. Now let's see how the market reacts to this setup. Guys, we'll meet after stop loss or target is hit.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove.
Very nice guys, our target was achieved very quickly. We are generating very good profit from this trade. The market moved as we analyzed. Our prediction was correct and analysis was also correct. If you always follow the right pattern in the market, then you will definitely get profit, because we cannot gamble in the market. Our target was at this level, which was hit a while back. We followed the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 here and we achieved it. Always keep patience in the market till you get the result. Patience is a part of psychology. That is why all successful traders talk about improving psychology. Let me do further analysis and tell you. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points. At this level, the market has taken support first and then after breaking it, it is creating resistance points again and again. The market has not yet broken this level from below and gone up. due to which there is a high chance that the market may still take resistance again, can move further downwards. Let's close the trade now. Guys, we are currently making $3,900 profit. We have grown the account with proper price action analysis. Anyone can follow the discipline and patience to grow their account. Always do simple analysis in the market. If you have learned something from this video, then like it. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.